Hello and welcome to another multiplayer video for Blender. Today's video I'm going to be showing you the latest changes that I've been working on. So if I can start a successful client without hopefully the server lagging too much. So this probably won't work. If I try and move, it won't move properly due to the frame rate problems. You'll see that I have a new graphical user interface. There is a HP bar on the bottom left, there is the team name in the middle, and there is an ammo count which should theoretically work when you shoot as well. And I can reload and so on. Not much has actually changed in the last version. I say that I've added the ability to read and write ammo and weapon data into a networking packet. As well as this, there is the option to I've moved teams and other data that is shared, such as into a generics module. So that's the team class, the team manager, and the data class, which these are shared by server and client. The only difference, things I can't share at the moment, is the user manager and the user classes, purely because the users are handled differently on either end of the system. In addition, I can probably share the clock class as well, and I probably will do. The only following thing that needs to be done is to cache the clock. This is because at the moment the clock class will poll the system time every time you request the current time, which will be significantly slower, especially because it has to call the 2ticks function and also then perform a rounding division. This goes through several operations can be removed and therefore optimized by caching it after the first value is called. The downside of this is that if you have a significantly long tick, it may not read the fact that you've transferred ticks during that one actual game tick, but that might be actually beneficial because it means that you won't get a different time step during the same theoretical processing tick. Aside from that, it's very just cosmetic changes. I'm still concerned with the extrapolation data because it. I've just realised you weren't able to see my monitor, or maybe you were actually. Let me have a look. Let's have a look. Excuse me. Okay, you were. Yeah. So the extrapolation data is here, and the problem is that it essentially, if I can show you down in the extrapolation area, where is it? It performs some abstract logic, because what it does is, for some reason, it's a form of extrapolation which accounts for errors. So it's smooth extrapolation, although it's less theoretically less accurate if you think about it. The problem is that it stores the output as intended for the next processing tick. My current observations of the system don't indicate that should be necessary. It does actually work if I remove that constant of 1. However, sometimes it doesn't, and it's a lot more jittery. So I've got to work out why that is. Either way, I suppose it's in future extrapolation, which isn't so bad. I'm at a point where I'm hoping to get things a lot smoother and quicker to be implemented, so I can start to add different functions. My latest goals are to add the control key, perhaps for crouching, and then the sprint key for sprinting. That's all yet to be decided. Furthermore, I need to add in animations, and that's more of a client layer. But I'm actually pretty happy. I haven't really had to touch the networking side of things, apart from occasionally modifying the network events and their functionality here. If I really want to start speeding this thing up, I'm going to have to perform some heavy research, but I think it's okay at the moment. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll keep posted.